Hi, I'm Trish and I come from Dublin, Ireland. I have two children. One is a boy. He is in college in Limerick, studying law and accounting. And my daughter is 19. She studies business in Dublin. I work as an event manager and I do a lot of conferences. I do a lot of work with sport. We do the rugby, the golf, the soccer. Very exciting. Ireland's winning all the way. Well, I used to work as cabin crew with Aer Lingus for a number of years and I hurt my back, so I decided I needed a different sort of way of living and decided to get into this work in 2006. Having my two children was my biggest satisfaction, but yeah, I suppose travelling around, meeting people is everything I've always wanted to do, and it's what I do and I love it. It's very satisfying. Yeah, I think it can be quite difficult for women to be in business, as you know, they are also the family person that runs the home, and it is difficult to juggle everything with children and be in business. I think the EU could be very positive for my business because I do a lot of travelling around Europe, and an awful lot of Europeans travel to Dublin for conferences, so I think it's good. It's good for my business. I think it's important for me to go and vote in the European elections because as a small country, it gives us a voice in Europe.